We are in the bathroom with the Flush Force figures and the grocery gang. What you have to do to unleash the figures from inside the toilet is you have to pour the water from inside the top, and then you keep pouring until there's enough, and then it starts to fizz. It makes a yucky water. And then sometimes you'll be able to dump it out and then get it from inside. And now you have the little figure coming.
Cool. Look at you. She wants to see what's going on. Yucky. Are you a grocery? Are you a yuck force? Here we go. Dump it in there. Try to get the yuck force. Cool. Fill up the commode.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, it's getting dark. Oh, man.
There you go.
Oh!
It's like...
Really farting on it.
Here's good, man. Check the fizzing one.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Cool. Did you get the figure out? What's this guy? Oh, he's got the yucky water you gotta stir out. The fizzing one's cool, though.
Oh, wow.
See? Neat.
Yeah.
Rubberbescent. Okay, so let's do this guy.
Okay.
Should be another poop one. Pop, poop, pop.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's like pooped.
Yeah.
Toilet farts.
Mm-hmm.
Fun.
So.
Now what? Now we've unique packaging had taken it off and got the experience of the effervescent grocery gang.
Yes.
And the flush 'em dirty water.
Yeah, do we? I don't exactly remember. Do you reach it out and take it out, or do you dump it out?
Go dump it out over here.
Okay. Ooh.
See, it's like...
Yeah. Those yuckertons.
They're in there. Oh, wow. See, there's the stinky toilet.
Ew.
Try the next one.
Look, it's like a donut. A crazy donut. Alright, that is weird.
Oh.
And like a, wow, I don't even know exactly what that is.
Next one.
Okay.
The different brand. The next brand. Dump it out in that pile, too.
Ugh.
Oh, it's like yellow pee-pee style?
It's like,
yucky pee-pee style in there.
oh, looks like can't get out. Come on, buddy. There you go. Oh, man.
It's like some
What the heck is this?
Man, that one's got a
Like
medical.
a gummy bear.
Let me see.
Oh my god, look, it's like a robot yucky one.
Cool. This one's a computer virus, Turk.
I love computer.
That one's sick, dude. That's the coolest one you've got. That's why we
Yeah.
did this. That's cool. What's this other one?
It's like a...
Oh, he's like a cyborg one.
Yeah.
These ones were dope.
I don't remember.
You got the coolest ones in there.
Alright.
Lane, you got the coolest ones. Look, you got like a cyborg.
I've never
And the
seen
translucent.
Or is that a sweet?
Yeah, they're like translucent.
Alright. Here's
Hold
the
up.
second yucky one.
What is it? Flush Force?
It's a Flush Force one. And look at it, bubbly wobbly. Oh.
Has it got the yellow stuff that came out?
Let's see what's inside. We've got,
Flush
you know,
Force.
like a weird spider.
Ooh, cool.
And a soft one, look.
Nice. Cool as heck.
Soft ones are rare.
One more. Dump that sucker out. We'll have them all displayed.
Okay.
Oh, it's like the yellow water. Yuck.
Is that all?
Should be. Oh.
Something rattling.
Is there weapons and stuff? Weren't there supposed to be weapons?
I see something in it. We might just have to get it out. I almost have it. Oh,
There's more weapons for you.
there's a weapon
And
and there's somebody
accessories.
in it.
Even more
Yeah.
guys? How many guys did you drop? One?
One, there's another one.
With the pee-pee water? Come on. What else you got? Nice. Oh, see, he got trapped in there. Oh, it's another dinosaur guy.
Oh, wow.
Well, what'd you think? Let's get the kids' perspective. What'd you think of the cool packaging and how they turned out, and which ones you got today?
Well, I really liked it. I got a lot of rare, so I recommend getting toys. They're fun to open, and I got some pretty dope rare ones in here.
Cool.
Like,
which one did you get that was real cool?
well, I got the
What's your favorite
virus.
one? The computer virus?
Yeah, the very rare one.
Nice.
Here.
And this is the other cool guy rare one you had was like this cyborg.
Yes, the cyborg, like, is that a fish? Or is that a pear?
Oh, I think a pear.
Oh.
Well, sick. Cyborg, cybernetic. It's real cool. Those ones are fun.
Look at him.
See, you got some of these new little weapons. These cool guys. Like, what's it, corn cob? Oh, this one's cool, dude. You got like the samurai one with the Japanese rising sun. Sushi!
Yeah.
This one's sweet. He's like a sushi ni.
Ew, it's weird.
Stinky, like, pee-pee water in there?
Yeah.
Was it fun to play with, though?
It was fun to open, yeah, too.
Cool. Thanks for the review, Lillian. Love you.
Bye.
Bye, Turk.